Hello class 2, how are you? I hope you all are fine. So today in our EVS class we will start with chapter number 20, which is means of communication. So communication means talking to each other or sending information to each other. Okay, that is called communication. Okay, so when you speak to your parents or friends, that is also means of communication. Okay, so there are various means of communication. Okay, so today we will learn that. Communication. Every day we talk to the members of our family, isn't it? We talk to our parents, we talk to our siblings, we talk to our friends. Yes, we talk to our friends, our neighbors, and our relatives on the telephone, isn't it? Not only face to face, we also talk to them over phone. We write letters to them. We share information by sending messages. Therefore, information can be shared by speaking, writing, and sometimes through gestures. Okay, so means of communication uh, is way of communicating. Okay, like speaking to each other or by writing or by through gestures. Sharing information with others is known as communication. Okay, now means of communication. Letters, telephones, telegrams, and internet are some of the well known means of communication. Okay, so these are the means of communication. Okay, telephone is the fastest means of communication. If you want to talk with if you want to talk with your relatives, your cousins, your friends, okay, you ring them, isn't it? Internet is the latest means of communication. Okay, internet, yes, you use, isn't it? Social media, newspaper, radios, where we get information from around the world, radios, televisions, we watch television, isn't it? Magazines and books are other means of communication. So these are also means of communication. Okay, in olden days people sent messages through pigeons. So they didn't had internet connection, they didn't had telephones, isn't it? So they used to send information through pigeons. Okay, bird. There is a post office in our neighborhood. Yes, children, there is post office. We buy postage and stamps at the post office. We send our letters through the post office. Okay, if we want to send letter, we can go to post office. Okay, and then the letter will be sent by the postman. Okay, we drop our letters into the post box first. We can send our letter by quick mail service, QMS, quick mail service of the post office, or by speed post. If you want to send fast, you can send it by quick speed post. If urgent, we send telegrams through the post office. All right. Now computers. Computers have become an important part of our life, isn't it, children? We all have computer in our home. We send our messages to our friends and relatives living in any part of the world by emails through internet. Okay, doesn't matter if your relatives or friends are out of state or out of country, you can send the information through internet. Okay, we can send email by mobile phone as well, not only computer that have an internet connection. Okay, an email takes less time to reach than a letter by post office. Okay, so letter, it will take days and days to reach to a particular person. All right, but email, you can send it by it only takes 1 or 2 seconds. Okay, if you have internet connection, proper internet connection, we can talk to our friends through internet as well. Okay, ICT, what is the full form of ICT? Stands for information and communications technology. Okay, information and communications technology. It has provided us with tools like email and SMS, internet. Okay, fastest way of means of communication. The full form of email is electronic mail. Okay, we can send emails instead of letters. All right, an email will reach the concerned person immediately. Okay, within 1 or 2 seconds. Earlier, letters were sent which took days. All right, especially if you have something urgent to inform to your relatives or to your friends or families, like we can send it by email. Why? Because letters, they take days and days to reach. Okay, SMS or short message service, full form of SMS, short message service. is a tool in our mobile phone. This is used to convey other message in case the person cannot call or the other person is not picking up their phone. If you're calling someone and they are unable to pick up the call, what we do, we send them a message so that if they see the message, they can ring us back. Okay. Internet provides us information on almost anything. We can also talk to our family and friends through video chat with the help of internet. Okay, children, I hope you all know through WhatsApp, through Facebook, and okay, we can send the information, or we can call them and we can chat with them. Okay, or we can talk to them. Newspapers are important means of communication. This is the oldest means of communication where you can gather information